doctors were telling me that I should wait to get the hip operation because so many were failing. And he pretty much said, if you can deal with the pain, don't get it done.
So you had a hip problem since when?
Since pretty much 9 months of age.
So we haven't heard from you. What have you noticed in the last 6 months?
Well, I think just overall his whole attitude changed. He was really depressed before, not being able to do the things that he could do every day. Being 26 years old and on a cane, and he had no quality of life, and now he's much happier, and he's strong and healthy again the way he should be.
I could never do that before.